Hey, this is a model we built in the roof class yesterday, and before I have my son tear it apart, I want to go over a couple things. This is a straight run with a full hip in the back, and then dog legs, and there's a hexagonal front. I just want to look at this common rafter here. Standard hip roof in the back. There's a king common on either side, and then king common and two hips terminating into it, right? So this is all 1.5 inch stock, 1.5 inch ridge, common, and hips are all 1.5 inch thick. And the way it works is the 45 thickness of 1.5 inch is 2 1/8, and half of that is 1 1/16 of an inch. So this side cut in plan view is 1 1/16 for this hip here. So if you pulled 1 1/16, square to the plumb cut, transferred it to the top of the rafter, that mark would be in plane with this side and this side here. This side of the common, this is the side of the hip. So if I was to take the on-center spacing of a jack rafter, which in this case is 16 inches, and multiply it by the factor, secant, come up with 20 inches on this roof, which is a 9/12 pitch. And I pull down from that mark 20 inches and pull down again another 20 down here. And then I would measure from the end of the rafter to that mark, and that would be to the short point, the length of the first jack. Pull from that end of the rafter to the second mark, to the short point, would be the length of the second jack. You would just make 4 of each. Yep.